Hello guys, this is Carol from STAGELI, and today we're gonna show you about the igniters factory. We have about 30 to 40 workers here, and today I'm gonna show you how the fireworks igniters made. So follow me and stay tuned with me. Okay, so our first slide is about cutting the wires. You can see we have the machines here. This is our machine for cutting the small sizes, and we are talking with the worker to see that how many pieces we can make per year and per day. And because our factory is just expanded from the 3 months ago, so there are some new works here. But because we are making the igniters with machines, so they can do it very quickly and without the human mistakes. Okay, so before that step, we will wash the board first. Yeah, because you can see here. Take a closer look. This is the very importance for the resistance before we make the igniters. And this is the board. We will wash it first and let it dry here. After we cut the wires into different sizes and test the quality for the resistance and the powder head, we will move them here for welding. We have about 50 works here, so now let's move in and check how it works. And this is our production manager, and she said our factory can make about 60,000 pieces a day, so that will be about 40 cutters. Our annual output is under control for many orders. 然后这边的话是一个什么样子的？
这边是检测，然后检测出来那边再做那个成品。检测出来这个样头。这种药头，先检测，然后到那边去焊制。
This is the powder head. It's very small one, right? We will use this machine to test the head to see it efficiently, and after it's workable, then we will make this powder head and healing with the wires at that side. You can see that is our healing wires period. So now we are moving to our package area. And this is for testing the wires. You can see the wires here, and we have the copper wire here, and using this machine to test the resistance. And after this part 1, and this is our part 2 for testing the quality. We have 3 workers here to test the powder head and 1 worker here to testing the wire. This production is before our packing. We'll test the wire resistance and the qualify of the powder head. After it qualified, then we will packing in the bag and packing the carton. This way is also our production line. with the automatic machine. Yes. We're making the wires. Yeah. Making the wires and cutting the wires into different sizes, all by the very efficient machines. 好。And now we arrived our warehouse, our new warehouse. For most of our package, they will be loaded very soon after it finished. I think it's very clean and we still have a big capacity to work for your order. Okay, now all of our production has been finished, and also thank you for the time of our factory. 就是我们已经结束了，然后我握个手。Okay, thank you for your time, and we say bye bye to our audience.